In this video, I will show you how to earn easy on Zedge. So just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Zedge like this. And when you open Zedge, you should right now go and click here on your profile. Next click here on Zedge, my credits. And right now this is your credits. To earn, you must play some games. For example, credit station, credit zone. To earn, for example, we will click play games, get credits. For example, here we will click earn, and it's going to take us to another page. I will click agree and continue, allow tracking, and I will give access, and then I can play and earn. This is like some apps games. You can play it and earn. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.